Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my another video on the Provi tutorials, and if you are new to this channel or if you haven't watched my previous videos, first watch those videos and then come to this tutorial. In my previous videos I have discussed about the basic tools, just for basic geometry tools like line, rectangle, circle and arc. Now in this video, in this tutorial, I will be discussing about fillet and chamfer. Both are the geometry tools. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So as every time, click on new and uncheck that box, use default template, that is, and you can change the name of the part from here. Click OK and double click on MMNS part or single click on MMNS part and click OK. Okay, this is the front plane, top plane and right plane. I am selecting the front plane, then click on sketch and then again sketch. So in my previous videos I have discussed about the line, rectangle, circle and arc. Today we will be discussing about these two tools, which are fillet and chamfer. Okay, so what exactly it is, I will show you. So let's create a rectangle first. Okay, I have created a rectangle, and if I want a fillet on the edges of this rectangle, so I will click on this first tool, which is circular fillet. If I want to make a circular fillet, I will click on this. It is, as you can see here, it is asking me to select one item. Okay, so I need to select one item. I have selected this line, or you can also select this line, it doesn't matter. Okay, and it is asking me again to select one item. Okay, so I will select this line, okay, in between which I want to make a circular fillet. I will select this line. If I want to make a circular fillet between this line and this line, I will click on this line. Suppose I want to make the circular fillet between this line and this line, so I will click on this line again, and you can see here a fillet has been created. I will click selected one. Okay, I will click on OK. That's it. By zooming it, you can see the radius of the fillet, okay, which is 88.75. so you can change it because it is system created dimensions values, so you can easily change it. If you want to make it 20 or 25, you can change it easily. So again I will show you how to do it. Click on this command or this tool, that is circular fillet. Select one edge, select one item. As you can see here, it is asking for selecting one item. Select one item and again select another item. Okay, I have selected another item, and that's it. You can see fillet has been created, which has a radius of 77.28 mm. That's it. Now I will discuss about the another fillet, which is elliptical fillet. Okay, so it is same like the circular fillet, but its shape is elliptical shape. Okay, I will delete it first. Okay, now suppose I have again drawn a rectangle. Okay, and I'm just zooming it out. Okay, and if you want to make it in position, suppose you have zoomed so much that you cannot make it the original, you cannot make that image in original position, just click on this tool. This is refit, and it will automatically get refit on this. Okay, so I was talking about the elliptical fillet. I will select this tool, and again, as same like in the circular fillet, I will select one edge and then again the second edge, and you can see a circular fillet has been created. It's looking same like the circular fillet, but you can vary the dimension from here, and as you will vary the dimensions, you can see that you can change the shape of this arc, which is you can make it elliptical, and you also can make it circular, where you need to do is change the dimension. Okay, you just need to change the dimension, and that's it, guys. You can see here I have changed the dimension. You can change the dimensions, and that's it. Okay, it is elliptical. I will show you again how to do it. Click on elliptical tool and select one edge and another and again select another edge, and that's it. Click on OK, and you can change the shape of this elliptical or shape of this elliptical fillet. So I think it is enough for this geometry tool. Now the next tool is chamfer. Okay, so I will be discussing about the chamfer now. Okay, select the rectangle, and suppose I want to make a chamfer between this line and this line. I can easily select this tool, and I will select first this line and again this line. Okay, and I will click on OK. That's it, guys. You can see here a chamfer has been created which has a dimension of horizontal dimension of 13.96 mm and 9.26 mm. You can change the dimensions by double click on it and put your own values and press enter. Okay, you just need to put your own values and then press enter, and the shape, the size of the fillet will be changed. Okay. And same, you can change the horizontal dimensions. Okay, I will again show you how to do it. Select this chamfer tool, select one edge, select another edge, and that's it. A chamfer has been created. Click OK. Now another tool inside it is also a chamfer, but it has a name of chamfer trim. Now I will tell you about the difference between chamfer and chamfer trim is, as you can see here, the dotted lines. Okay, these lines basically are used for the reference purposes. Okay, if you do not want the reference line, as you can see here, you just need to click on chamfer trim. Yes, chamfer trim, and I will show you what it does. First I will select this line, and then I will select this line, but that's it. Click on OK. As you can see here, the difference. Okay, here you can see the dotted lines for the reference purpose, and here are no and here is not a single reference line or dotted lines. Okay, as you can see here, there is no dotted lines. So this is a simple difference between the both chamfer and chamfer trim. Again I will show you. This is, select the chamfer trim geometry tool, click on this line, click on this line, and that's it. You can change the values. Okay, you can change easily those values. So this is how you can use this tools. So I think this is enough for today's video, and today I discuss about the fillet and chamfer. In my next videos I will be discussing about the another geometry tools. So guys, if you are new on this channel, please watch my previous videos first and then come to this video. And I just want to say that I am doing this much effort for you guys, so please, you can like my videos at least, and you can share it also, and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.